While boat lifts are a great accessory, it can be taxing to manually crank your lift up and down every single time. A great solution to this is a boat lift motor. This video is all about how to install a boat lift motor, which will make it easier to lift your boat in and out of the water every single time. Before we get started, make sure you visit liftmarine.com or contact me directly if you have any questions. How to install a boat lift motor. We're going to go over the differences between AC, DC, solar, manual, wireless remote, and Bluetooth. AC is household power. 120 volts and minimum 15 amps with GFCI is required. And in my opinion, the best way to go if you can get power down to the lift. Less batteries to maintain over the winter, and there's always a less chance of your household power going out rather than a battery dying. DC is a great option if there's no power available or if the lift's farther out the dock than you would feel comfortable sending power out for safety reasons or amperage drop. The speeds are great, and sometimes you can't have any dock for various reasons. And with the lift out in the middle of the lake, you can still raise and lower your vessel effortlessly. Solar panels. They come in 12 volt or 24 volt, with 24 volt being the most popular, using 2 batteries for long use times without charging and 2 times the speed of 12 volts. Wireless remotes have come leaps and bounds and have made using your boat more often and more enjoyable. No more, I just got the boat up. We aren't going back out again for a while. Life is short. Get back out there. Build those memories. The new remotes have a range that is more than long enough to get the lift to the top or bottom when you need it. I love to use the remote to temporarily wedge the boat in one spot so that everybody can get on or off safely without fear of the boat tilting or being affected by any of the waves. And now we have Bluetooth. Forgot your keys in the cottage? Need to grab something out of the boat and not interested in running back to grab the keys? We have you covered now. Pull out your phone or anyone else's phone that you've given access to that motor and simply tap the up or down button using your own phone app from LiftTech Marine. Want to step it up a notch? Auto stop. Do you know exactly how high and how low you want to take your boat? Not a lot of fluctuation in water levels? Auto stop is a dream come true. Hit the button and walk away. Obviously, making sure nothing is in the way of the cables before doing that. When investing in a boat lift, there are a lot of different options available to you, such as wheel kits, canopies, boat lift motors, canopy lights. If you need more information before making a purchase, check out our website, liftmarine.com, or contact me personally, and I'll help you out.